Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the text color of the karaoke animation on CapCut PC. So type in the text. I'm just going to type in like a song. I don't know if this is the right lyric. I'm just going to leave it though. Also then just going to change the color of it as well. And the font, sorry. Go to animation and select the karaoke one and adjust the animation as well. I don't know why the animation ends like that. Like this. Maybe it needs to be like that. It looks also kind of weird up here, but I guess it's fine. Go to filters and add in the black and white filter on top of that. Oh, this is the wrong one, sorry. Let's just go to the retro one. I think it's in here. Oh, it's here. Then maybe this one. Or you can just create a compound clip first and then like add it into, I think the brown one is actually a little bit better because it's lighter. So do that first. Go to media and select the color that you want to use. I'm just going to select this pink one. Add it, scale it. And then go to blend mode and select the color dodge one. And that's it. I know there's like some outlining, but it's the only way you can change it. You can also change this, but it's going to affect because of the thing we have. I guess you could use screen if you maybe did it before you created a compound clip. I'm not sure how it's going to go though. Hold on, let me just try that first. I'm not sure it's gonna work though. Let's just see. Okay, it's not. Oops, I haven't. Okay, I guess this could work, but like again, your background will be kind of the same color as the text a little bit. So I suggest you just doing the other way, which is adding it and selecting the color dodge effect to it. Oh, whoops. And make sure the filter is inside of the video, like so. Sorry. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!